Here's how to use Instagram Map. First thing that you need to do is to, of course, open the Instagram app that you have on your phone. Afterwards, on the DM options, the arrow that you can see at the upper right, what you need to do is to click on that. And then after clicking on that, you will be redirected on the options where you can see the maps. What you need to do is to click on the maps option. When you click on the maps option, as you can see that the device location is still off. So what you need to do is to click on the next option and choose who would you like to share your location with. Is it friends, close friends, or only this friend or your chosen people? Or just go ahead and click on don't share location. Afterwards, click on device location op and then click on the open settings options. This will lead you to the settings of your device, either iPhone or Android. And then what you need to do is click on the location option and change it to always from never. Afterwards, go back to your Instagram account. Have a quick refresh by going up and down. And then as you can see, you have successfully sharing your location. And then afterwards, once again, you can choose which would you like to share your location with. And then as you can see, your location has been successfully shared.